7 health benefits of turmeric milk. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk or golden latte, is becoming a very popular drink. But the benefits of drinking turmeric milk are not novel. It has always been popular, especially in countries like India. Let's get straight into the 7 health benefits of turmeric milk before I share my own favorite yet simple recipe for making this potent drink. Number 1. Reduces inflammation. Turmeric milk has anti-inflammatory properties. This is because turmeric contains curcumin, which is known to be anti-inflammatory. Thus, drinking turmeric milk can help to ease pain and also reduce swelling, and regular consumption of turmeric milk can also prevent future episodes of inflammation from occurring. Sometimes inflammation can occur naturally as the body's natural response to foreign particles, but if the inflammation persists, known as chronic inflammation, this can cause severe damages to your body organs. Thus, drinking turmeric milk regularly will help to reduce inflammation and keep your organs healthy. Moreover, turmeric milk is so potent that just 1 glass of it every day can help greatly with joint pain, and it will also improve the quality of your sleep. Number 2. Improves memory and brain function. Turmeric milk can help to improve your memory and brain function. This is because the curcumin in turmeric can increase the levels of what is known as BDNF. If you are curious, BDNF stands for brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This BDNF is what helps new brain cells to grow, and as the levels of your BDNF will increase, then the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's will also decrease. So if you want new brain cells to grow and improve your memory, then turmeric milk is your best friend, as it is easy to make and you will not have to buy supplements, and in doing so, you can also avoid toxicity issues which can sometimes result when you take too many supplements. Number 3. Increases serotonin levels. Yes, drinking turmeric milk regularly can increase your serotonin levels and thus enhance your mood. This is because the curcumin in turmeric can work in ways that naturally boost the brain's level of serotonin. So if you are feeling stressed or you get the feeling where you feel low or confused, then instead of turning to pills, try warm turmeric milk before bedtime. You will feel more energetic the next day, and you will also be in a better mood because you will get a night of uninterrupted sleep. Number 4. Reduces the risk of cancer and heart diseases. Regular consumption of turmeric milk can also reduce the risk of cancer and heart diseases. This is because curcumin can not only interfere with the growth of cancer cells, but it can also prevent cancer cells from spreading, metastasis. Drinking turmeric milk will help lower the risk of heart diseases because it will keep the linings of your blood vessels healthy and enable them to carry out their normal functions. And when your blood vessels are functioning properly, this will in turn help to keep your heart healthy. Curcumin in turmeric can also help to lower the bad cholesterol levels, also known as LDL cholesterol, and thus protect you from heart attacks and strokes. Number 5. Powerful antioxidant. The curcumin present in turmeric milk also acts as a powerful antioxidant. And antioxidants are compounds that fight cell damage and protect your body from damage by free radicals. And antioxidants also help to support your eye health and protect you from infections and diseases. Number 6. Boosts immunity. Drinking turmeric milk also helps to boost immunity, and the curcumin in turmeric also has antibacterial, antifungal, and all the good things that help to keep various infections at bay. Turmeric milk also enables a faster recovery after injury or sickness. Turmeric milk is also good for keeping the common cold at bay, and if you do catch the common cold, drinking turmeric milk will enable you to get back faster on your feet. So make sure to drink turmeric milk for a strong immune system and a healthy body. Number 7. Anti-aging properties. Last but not least on the list is anti-aging properties. Drinking turmeric milk can also help to slow down the aging process. Seems unbelievable, right? But that's true. The antioxidant properties of turmeric will protect your cells from oxidative stress and will reduce the formation of fine lines and wrinkles and give a natural glow to your face and will help you age gracefully. Moreover, drinking turmeric milk regularly can also lower the incidence of breakouts and acne, and it can also help scars to heal over time. All in all, drinking turmeric milk has many health benefits for both your skin and body. Now, you must be wondering that all this while we have been talking about the benefits of the curcumin found in turmeric, so why not just take turmeric? Well, for the curcumin to work properly, it needs the fats present in milk, and together they will work wonders for your health. Do not buy turmeric pills or take turmeric shots, as these will not work. You will only be wasting your money. If you want to reap the benefits of turmeric, turmeric milk is your best bet, and you can also use turmeric, the spice, in cooking. Just turmeric in water or turmeric pills will not work. Now, let's look at the recipe for turmeric milk. You only need some turmeric roots and milk. If you do not have turmeric roots, then you can also use the powdered form, but the roots are the best. If you have the roots, then you just need to grate some of them. 2 usually does the trick, but it depends on the size of roots that you are using. If they are small, you can add more, and add them to milk which is heating on a stove. You will see that as the milk warms, the color of the milk will change and it will start to become golden yellow. Once you get a deep yellow color, you can turn off the stove. Now you just need to strain the roots and your turmeric milk is ready. If you want, you can also add honey to your turmeric milk, but that is completely optional. If you do not like the taste of just the turmeric milk, honey will give it a sweet taste and you will like it better. So, go for whichever version you like best. And if you are using the powdered form, then 2 or 3 teaspoons of turmeric powder should be enough. It really depends on the quality that you want to make, and then you can adjust it based on that. Again, the color of the milk is always a good indication whether your turmeric milk is ready or you need to add more turmeric powder. After adding either the turmeric roots or the powder, wait for a while before continuing to add because as the milk gets warmer, the color will deepen. Only then you can choose to add more if needed. Until next time, take care.